Smart Insights: Transforming Data into Strategic Business Decisions, Part 1, Foundations of Data-Driven Decision-Making. Welcome to Smart Insights, your go-to series for turning data into powerful business decisions. Today, we're laying the foundation for data-driven decision-making, what it means, why it matters, and how your business can start leveraging data today. What does it mean to be data-driven? In today's fast-paced world, making decisions based on intuition alone is no longer enough. Data-driven decision-making means using facts, trends, and insights to shape business strategies rather than relying on guesswork. When you leverage data, you reduce risk, optimize resources, and improve efficiency, all while gaining a competitive edge. When you leverage data, you reduce risk, optimize resources, and improve efficiency, all while gaining a competitive edge. What types of data should businesses collect? Before making data-driven decisions, you need to collect the right data. Here are three main types every business should focus on. Customer data includes demographics, preferences, and buying behavior, helps in marketing and customer experience strategies. Operational data tracks internal processes like sales performance, inventory levels, and production efficiency. Market data includes competitor analysis, industry trends, and economic factors to help you stay ahead in your field. Tools and technologies for data collection and analysis. Collecting data is one thing, analyzing and interpreting it is another. Business intelligence tools like Google Analytics, Tableau, and Power BI help you turn raw data into meaningful insights. These tools allow you to track customer trends, forecast business performance, and optimize strategies based on real-time insights, and the best part, many of them are beginner-friendly. Ethical considerations and data privacy. With great data comes great responsibility. Ethical data collection is a must for building trust with customers and staying compliant with regulations like GDPR and CCA. Always ensure you're collecting data ethically and securely by being transparent with customers about what data you collect, using encrypted storage to protect sensitive information, regularly updating privacy policies and ensuring compliance with laws. Take action. Audit your data collection methods. Now it's your turn. Here's your challenge. Audit your current data collection process. Are you tracking the right metrics? Assess your tools. Do you have a BI platform to analyze data effectively? Ensure compliance. Double-check that your data practices align with privacy laws. Want to take your business decisions to the next level? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because in our next episode, we'll be diving into advanced data analysis techniques to help you maximize your insights. Thanks for watching Smart Insights. Drop a comment below. What's the biggest challenge you face when it comes to data? Let's start the conversation. See you next time.